So today we're gonna teach you a healthy recipe for we're gonna make a healthy mushroom soup.
Cool.
So the ingredients are mushrooms that we bought from a local market. And then parsley, but you can't actually taste it when it's in the soup.
Yeah, we like lots of parsley. It's healthy, right?
Yeah, and it smells good.
It smells good, but it actually it won't make the mushroom soup taste. It
Then
tastes really good. Yeah.
A little bit of mustard.
Yeah, a little bit of mustard. Yeah.
Milk.
Milk. Yeah.
Whipping cream.
Yep. Heavy cream. Yep.
And chicken broth.
Chicken broth. Okay.
So first we're gonna chop the parsley and the mushroom into small pieces.
Yep. And the pot is, then you just throw it in the pot right there. Yep. Okay. That's good enough. Throw it in the pot because at the end we're gonna blend everything with a blender. Yep.
There it goes into the pot.
Yep. That's good.
Outwards or not inwards.
Yep.
Inwards, your hand will be.
You can get cut. Yep.
Cut. Or you can just do this.
Yep. Scrape it in.
And put it in. Okay. So.
Yep. Do lots together. Yep. Careful. Yep.
And then.
That's good.
Last one. These in. Don't waste them.
Yep.
And.
Good job.
Okay, now the mushrooms.
Mushrooms, yep. Right. Okay, good. Nice. Cool. So the we don't really like measure the ingredients. We just go by feel.
Yeah.
So
it should be enough. Yeah.
Normally it always comes out okay. We don't measure much. Most of the time.
It should be okay.
Yeah, most of the times when we do these things, it comes out okay.
That's it.
Good.
And the rest.
The rest goes in the pot.
And that's it.
Now we're gonna pour in the heavy cream. Give it a good shake first.
Okay. If you shake cream really a lot, it becomes butter.
Yep, that's true. Okay, good. And how much ml is this one? I think it's 250, right?
Yes, 250.
Okay, so we're going to use 250 ml with the mushroom and parsley that we've made.
100% Australian cream.
Cool. Put this here.
You see? They even got the... Wait. Where you cut the scissors.
That's right. Here,
cut it up.
Cut it over. Yeah, that's right.
Oops.
Yeah, we don't want to eat that one.
Sorry.
Okay.
Pour.
That's it.
We don't want to eat paper.
The whole thing in.
Whole thing. Cover up. That's it.
Squeeze it out if there's more in there. Make that heavy cream taste good. Good, okay. Just put it aside, yep, perfect. And then you can rinse your hands if you want.
Okay.
Okay, and then the milk.
This is first, the milk. Okay. How much?
This pack is only like quarter left. Maybe pour the whole thing in.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Get a tissue and do it a quick wipe. Nice.
Oops.
The cream is hard to wipe because it's very oily.
Cool. Put this.
Okay, cut it open.
Make sure that doesn't go in.
Yeah.
Half. Just tell me when to stop.
Yeah. Just approximately half is fine.
I think that's about.
Let me see.
Or
I think we can do the maybe pour the whole thing in.
the whole thing?
Yeah, we got lots of mushrooms.
Oh, okay.
So we just cook by feels a lot of times. You know, it's
The whole thing,
you just
okay.
have a feeling of things.
There you go. As you said, the whole thing.
Perfect. So about maybe half a liter of chicken broth.
This is what it looks like.
This is what it looks like.
A
And
healthy
then,
mushroom.
I forgot to check if this chicken broth is has a salt or no salt. If it's no salt, then we have to add some salt and pepper. Can you just give it a quick taste, the chicken broth? Just drink it. It's already cooked. Yeah. Is it salty?
Yes, a bit.
Okay, good. So we still have to add a little bit of salt. So get the salt.
Okay. So, because if we do not.
Yeah. Salt and then pepper.
Okay.
So add the salt. And pour it into your hand so you can actually see how much. A little bit more than that.
Oh.
Yeah, pour it in your hand so you can see how much you're doing.
Is this okay?
Yep. Yeah, perfect. Pour a little bit more actually. Yep, good. Okay, that. For now, if not, we can add more later. Never add too much because then you can't go backwards. But if you don't have enough, you can always add more later. Okay, some pepper. Pepper, adding more is okay. Perfect. Again, the pepper we can always add more later when we drink. Okay, and the most important part that really makes the flavor come out, and that is you need a little spoon
of mustard. Okay.
Yeah, this is what you need. Without the mustard, this thing does not taste good. But you don't want to get those yellow ballpark mustard, the really neon-y ones. You want mustard like a real mustard like this kind of thing.
A spoon?
Yep.
Easy way to do this.
Yep.
Just cut this. There you go.
Excellent. And one big spoonful because we have quite a bit.
Like this?
That's perfect. Hey, I didn't see it.
Oh.
Sorry. Okay, let me just dig in.
Sorry.
See that piece of mustard there? That's exactly what we want. That one dab of mustard.
And we're just
To
gonna
make
close
all
this.
the difference. Yep. And then we're gonna boil this for about 1 hour, 45 minutes, 1 hour, and then after when it's done, we're gonna blend it into a smooth soup. Okay.
Yes, smooth soup.
Okay, Colin.
So
We'll see you
see you later.
See you later.
Okay, so we're back,
Mhm.
and this is what the soup, the mushroom soup, has been for 1 hour.
Cook for 1 hour, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're gonna
nice.
scoop this.
Right.
Scoop in here.
What's that?
This is the blend.
Blender.
The blender. So scoop here, blend into the blender, blend, and then we're gonna pour it into the bowl.
You got all the nice veggies in there. You see that? Yep. That's it. Okay, I think that's good for 1 glass.
I'm gonna put this here.
Yep. Okay.
Put this.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. Screw on the lid. Blender.
And we're gonna blend it. Oh, sorry.
Yep. Okay, and then blend it and. A little bit more. Good. Yep.
Take this off.
No, careful because it's hot. You sometimes just expand. That's right. Look at that.
Take this and put this away
Side.
and pour it in.
Yep. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It smells really good too. Look at that.
Okay, that's it. So we're just gonna put it on the side. So we're gonna make
Yep.
another
okay.
batch.
Okay, no, I'll taste test first.
Oh, okay. Just use this.
Watch out, it's a little bit hot. Oh no, you go ahead, you go ahead.
Oh, okay. It's good.
It's really good?
Yep.
Nice, that's how we make
Healthy mushroom soup.
mushroom soup. Nice, and say?
Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe and like the video.
Okay,
See you.
Bye.
Looks good.
Nice, nice, nice.